Okay, hot off the fresh, you've got new data in for the snowfall totals, and we've increased them a little bit across the area. 4 to 6 inches looks like a fair bet across much of the viewing area, with some areas toward the eastern upstate with closer to a half a foot, up to 8 inches. That would be Spartanburg, Inman, Lyman, over through Cherokee County, even into Greer and Greenville for some areas. You got a big bullseye up across the Tennessee state line. That'll get 8 to 12 inches, and also the Outer Banks through Raleigh could get up to a foot of snow. Toward the Outer Banks, we're talking blizzard conditions. As we get in closer here, check this out. Pickens to Clemson to Anderson to Greenville, all in that 4 to 6 inch mark right now. 8 to 12 likely along the Tennessee state line. Madison County, Swain, Haywood County. You get this 6 to 8 inch swath as it sits right now, sitting around the Greenville County line. I-26 bumping up toward the east into Spartanburg County. What a snow this is going to be up toward the mountains as well. As we look at lows tonight, upper 20s, and we're going down from there. We're talking about a big snow developing, and all throughout the day tomorrow, it is going to be on as we go throughout the day. That snow spreading in and encompassing both the Carolinas and both all the way down to North Georgia. Even coastal Georgia, Savannah, Tybee Island, Hilton Head going to get in on this action with accumulating snow. Let me map it out for you town by town. Here we are 9-10 o'clock tonight. The snow spreading into the mountains and becoming more widespread after midnight through 7 a.m. encompassing the upstate. It's hard and heavy. A good old-fashioned snow day like the old days, right? It is snowing almost all day long and accumulating hour by hour throughout the day before it starts to taper off by about 6 o'clock. Those winds pick up, and boy, oh boy, it is about to turn nasty cold. All set across Greenville. Here's a fair look at what you can expect for your town. Now, just like a summertime rain, it's going to vary a little bit town to town. Some areas may get locally heavier or a little bit lower, but this is a good estimate based on what we're seeing. Around 5 to 6 inches is a pretty good bet across the area. Farther east you are, the more likely you get closer to 8 inches. The big deals here are going to be the dangerous travel. The roads are going to become very treacherous from the get-go. This is going to turn slippery fast with this kind of snow accumulating to these kind of levels, and the cold. It is equally as dangerous. Look at this. Saturday when you're out playing, it's going to feel like the teens getting into the single digits by 4:30. Kids need to take a break, go and get warm, go back out. 6 degrees that feels like temperature at 4:30 in Greenville, and it doesn't stop there. We're under an extreme cold warning. We haven't been this cold in a while, folks. -20 in Asheville Sunday morning for a feels like, -2 in Spartanburg. So the 4-day plus looks like this. We've got lots of changes coming our way, and it's going to continue to move our way, and we'll have more on that in just a little bit.